Here's a new 2023 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automated parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, V8 engine, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.